Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can set an audio file on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So over here, if you want to send an audio file, it's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. We're gonna go ahead, open up our Instagram, cancel this out, home section, and now simply go ahead and tap on this message icon on top right corner. Now from over here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on a particular person or search an ID whom I would like to send a voice message. Now I'm going to simply go ahead, tap on this little voice message icon. You can see mic icon. Now you can see the recording is up for a second, and I have already sent it to my friend over there on the Instagram, and they will be able to access it again. And we can simply have this conversation through voice notes back and forth like that. I can simply record as many as I want, and that will be it. That's how easy it is. Make sure when you have installed the app itself, you have allowed the permission of the microphone as well as the camera. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.